Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to play Valorant on PC for beginners. First, you will need to download and install the game from the official Riot Games website. After installation, create a Riot Games account to log in. Take some time to adjust your mouse sensitivity and keybinds to ensure comfortable gameplay. Finally, complete the in-game tutorial. It is a fantastic way to learn the fundamental mechanics and controls before jumping into your first match. Valorant features a diverse roster of agents, each with unique abilities. Every agent has one signature ability, which recharges, and one ultimate ability, which charges over time. Agents fall into 4 roles: Duelist, Initiator, Controller, and Sentinel. Understanding these roles and practicing how to use each ability effectively is key. Remember, combining your agent's abilities with your teammates can create incredibly powerful and game-changing plays. Mastering core gameplay involves several crucial elements. Always aim for headshots. They deal the most damage and are often one-shot eliminations. Utilize the economy system to buy weapons, armor, and abilities at the start of each round. Effective communication with your team, whether through voice chat or pings, is vital for coordinated attacks and defenses. Also, learn the map layouts and common angles to gain a strategic advantage over your opponents. To truly improve, consistent practice is essential. Spend time in the practice range to refine your aim, crosshair placement, and recoil control. Watching professional Valorant gameplay can also provide valuable insights into advanced strategies and agent synergies. Play unrated matches to gain experience in a live environment without the pressure of competitive ranking. Finally, focus on mastering 1 or 2 agents initially before expanding your agent pool.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.